Bitboard setup and use. The Crazy Circuits bitboard expands the features and use of the microbit. The microbit mounts directly into the main slot on the bitboard. Make sure it's facing the right direction. The microbit text should face the side of the bitboard with the power connections and header pins. Powering the bitboard. The bitboard can be powered one of three different ways. By the USB connection on the microbit, with the battery holder with JST connection included with all the kits, or by running 3-volt DC power to the Lego holes labeled 3-volt and ground. Make sure to use 3-volt external power if you are running servos. However you power the bitboard, you'll see the amber power LED on the bitboard light up. If you don't, double check your power connections and polarity. Programming the microbit. Programming is easy using Microsoft MakeCode. Visit makecode.microbit.org for tutorials and to write your code. First, plug your microbit into your computer with a USB cable. It will show up as a removable drive on your computer desktop. Create a project in MS MakeCode. Save the file by downloading it to your computer. Copy the file by dragging it from where it's saved on your computer to the removable drive icon on your desktop. The LED on the microbit will blink, showing that the code is being loaded. Now you're ready to run your code. Features. Bitboard expands the possibilities with multiple inputs and outputs. You can easily connect displays, servos, sensors, and more by the pin headers. The header pins provide 3.3 volts and are color-coded to make easy connections with the matching Crazy Circuits ribbon cable. When a battery pack is connected, the blue header pins provide 5 volts and are specifically designed for powering servos. The larger perimeter holes allow for directly mounting the board to Lego and creating electrical connections with Maker tape. Now that you know how to set up and use the bitboard, you can create your own custom projects. Or visit browndoggadgets.com for free project tutorials and guides. The Crazy Circuits bitboard. What crazy things will you build? Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe to this channel for more great projects, and come visit us at browndoggadgets.com.